In this ukulele video, I'm going to show you the four most important chords that you need to know on ukulele. And if you get these 4 chords down, trust me, you can play hundreds of different songs. What 4 chords could they be? Stick around and I'll show you. All right, that was 2 of them. I didn't want to show you all too early. But anyway, thanks for being here. I'm Terry Carter. This is ukelikethepros. If you're watching this video and not subscribed, make sure to subscribe. Turn on that bell notification. And as we go through this video, leave a comment, smash that like button, share this video, help spread ukelikethepros, help spread ukulele to the world. Now, I'm going to show you these 4 chords. If you want an awesome chord diagram, we have an awesome chord diagram you can download, you can print it out, you can take it with you. We'll put a link below. You can go sign up for free for that. And also, as I'm playing, if you're like, you know what, I really like this stuff, I like the strumming, I like the chords, I have a free course. That's right, a free course over at ukelikethepros.com. We're the #1 instructional site to learn ukulele, and we'll put that link in the description below as well. All right, the 4 chords. Let me play them fast. That's it. Those are the 4 most important chords. Did you get it? Did you get what they were? Put a comment below if you got those chords just based on what I just did. But don't worry, I'm going to show you here. Now, I'm not going to really break these chords down too much. I have separate videos if you need help learning these 4 chords, giving you some tips and tricks on how to play them accurately. I'm just going to show them to you. All right? The 4 chords, the 4 most important chords that you need to know on a ukulele. And by the way, I'm playing here. You might say, wow, that's a beautiful, beautiful ukulele you have. This is my Koloha KCM. This is their concert made in Hawaii, Koawood, and I do have the upgraded Goto tuners on here. I am playing with a high G, okay, so if that matters. But if you like this ukulele, you need some new strings, accessories, whatever you need, the #1 store for all ukulele needs is store.ukelikethepros.com. All right, the 4 chords are just simply C, A minor, F, and G7. Just playing those chords, that will be a song right there if you just add some strumming like. You can change it up, you can do a bunch of stuff. So just, that probably sounds familiar, right? You're probably like, oh, that's a whole bunch of songs. Sounds like a whole bunch of songs. Now, you can also maybe slow it up a little bit. Hold the chords a little longer. Mix it up a little bit. You don't always have to play those chords in that order, C, A minor, F, and G7. But those are the 4 most important chords. If you don't know those, make sure to get them down, get them memorized. So anytime you see them on a song, on a chord chart, wherever, your brain will automatically go right to those chords without even thinking about it. Your muscle memory, your fingers, everything will go right to these chords because these are the foundation. And once you know these 4 chords, not only can you play a bunch of songs, but then you can start adding some cool stuff like. All right, so I threw in a couple other things in there just to give you an example, but trust me on this. 4 chords, C, A minor, F, and G7. Get those down. Those are going to help you tremendously in your journey here on the ukulele. So anyway, what do you think? Leave a comment below. Do you have those chords memorized or do you need to work on them? Either way, don't forget I have a free chord chart below. Got a free course for you over at ukelikethepros.com. So that's going to do it for me. I appreciate the support. Thanks for being here and subscribing to the channel, leaving the comments, all that stuff. It really does make a difference, and I truly do appreciate it. So that's going to do it for me. I'm out of here. Have a good one, and we'll see you next time.